Tell us again how you smoking.
Yep, all wood, no gas, no charcoal.
That is real deal barbecue, man. That is real deal barbecue. Good place like this, you don't need sauce. Absolutely don't need sauce.
You guys need somebody else in this?
Man, come on in, man. Come on in. Whoa. Goodness gracious, that is a thing of beauty right there. I found your brisket Facebook. Come on, guys, your buddy West Carolina foodie here with my good friend Ben. Ben's Backdraft, Waynesville, North Carolina.
That's right.
Dude, man, I've been wanting to get over here and check your barbecue out forever, and I'm here. I'm here. And now, tell me a little bit about the background here.
So, come from fire service, obviously.
Thank you for that. Thank you for
historically,
service.
been professionally about 10 years. Cherokee, Asheville, a few places in Buncombe County.
Oh, appreciate that.
Yeah, my pleasure for sure. It was definitely a good season. Still do it a little part time, but a few guys in the fire service found they had a smoker. That's how I got started. I got the hook then. I got my own smoker back in 18, and then just kind of expanded from there.
It sounds like you're expanding it. You started out with a food truck.
Started with a smoker to food trailer, then to 2 food trailers, and now brick and mortar restaurant.
Check this out. I'm so happy for you. Now I'm going to show some video on here. You took us in the back, showed us how you're smoking. Tell us again how you're smoking.
Yep, all wood, no gas, no charcoal. Salt and pepper is the only seasonings we use. We use a little seasoned salt, like on our brisket.
Yeah.
But like our ribs, pork, chicken, it's just salt and pepper. And then I do have to give a shout out to Dan-O's. We use a little bit of Dan-O's on our chicken.
I love it. I love it. So, now, when we pulled in here today, I've got my daughter with me.
Yeah.
We pulled in, and you can just smell that smoke, and we're like, oh yeah. Yeah, you can tell a real barbecue place when you pull in. You got that smoke just kind of wafting around, and I'm super excited here. We're going in. Going in. I don't even know where to start, but boy, I'm going to start. So what are we looking at right here, man?
So just pulled chicken. You can get a plate or a sandwich.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to get up here, show you guys a little bit of that. Look at that pulled chicken right there.
It's not.
I'll see you. Wow. That is tender and juicy. Nice amount of smoke on there. Boy, that's good.
Good.
Man.
Thank you.
Chicken.
It's probably the most under-ordered item, but the biggest surprise on the menu for sure.
I'll tell you what, smoked chicken, Ben's Backdraft. Oh yeah, get you some of that right there. Good job, buddy.
Thanks. Yeah.
Man.
That's just the traditional pulled pork.
Oh boy, got a little bark on there mixed in with it.
No sauce.
No, don't. Good place like this, you don't need sauce. Absolutely don't need sauce. Ben, you're killing me. That is real deal barbecue, man. That is real deal barbecue. Goodness gracious, that's good. Man, now you didn't give me enough food to try, Ben.
This is just the appetizer.
That's fantastic. Again, melt in your mouth, tender, juicy. That great amount of smoke on there. That red right there in there, man. That is some smoke over there, isn't it? Now, how old were you when you first started barbecuing?
So probably about 20. I'm 30 now. I've ruined a lot of meat.
Any honest barbecue man's gonna tell you the same thing. It's something that's hard to do.
It is.
And but you are perfecting this stuff right here. Wow, that's gracious. That's, oh boy, I can't wait. I found your brisket Facebook. Okay, man. Hardest thing in the world to do. I've tried to do some briskets, and it's just so frustrating.
It is.
You nailed it.
Thank you.
My goodness, tender. That is melt in your mouth tender right there. Great flavor on it. Nothing. Just that natural meat flavor.
Yep.
Little smoke on there. Doesn't need anything else, does it?
Nope.
Man.
We fry our fries in beef tallow.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
So, and they're hand cut.
Yep.
Hand cut fries in beef tallow. Would you expect anything less from Ben right here? Oh yeah, I love a good fry. That stands out.
Yeah.
The beef tallow. Yeah. Nice and crisp. Nice on that, a little soft on the inside. Great flavor. Oh, Tell me about this right
So
here.
it's a full spare rib, pork spare rib.
Whoa. Goodness gracious, that is a thing of beauty right there. Boy. Look at that right there. Nice clean bite.
You guys need somebody else in this?
Man, come on in, man. Come on in. Right there. I don't have enough. There might be enough
I got
for
a
you.
big belly. I've got to
Oh,
eat here
man.
for a week and look what it's done for me.
This place is the real deal there. Getting that smoke ring on there. Nice and flavorful. Nice clean bite right there. You know it's a good rib.
Oh yeah.
Well cooked, that flavor. Oh, gosh. Oh. That is killer barbecue. Little baked beans right here.
We smoke those on the smoker as well.
You were showing me back
Yeah,
there, had those
yeah.
beans on that smoker, and loving those beans.
And this is a loaded potato salad.
Loaded
So it's not
potato salad.
not traditional. It's sour cream base. So
Oh boy, that looks good. Oh, man, that's creamy. It's tangy. Everything's great about that. Boy,
it's our most complimented side by far.
I see why. You got mac and cheese. I
Yep.
mean, this looks like some real deal mac and cheese.
White cavatappi noodles.
Oh boy.
White cheddar.
Good, nice balanced coleslaw right there.
A little bit of
Little
sugar.
zing, a little bit of sweet. Nice and fresh. Oh, that's good stuff right there. You know what these are, guys. I love them. Rocking good hush puppy.
Fried in the tallow as well.
Well, there you go.
Yep.
Fried Nutella, a little sweet on that, nice and crisp, good tender on the inside. Digging that, Ben. Ben, you didn't give me enough stuff to try here, pal. Man, good look at that, right? Cornbread. A good sweet cornbread.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
It's
Yeah,
more
that-
like a yellow cake cornbread. If you
that
will.
takes me back.
So we've got we fry our chips in house in our beef tallow, obviously with a white queso. You can get loaded fries as well with that same cheese.
Man. Ben, you're doing everything right here.
Thank you.
How do people find you?
Facebook, Instagram, website.
Okay.
And we're getting ready to launch a mobile app soon. We're going to have a website and a mobile app where they can online order. We're usually open Thursday through Saturday, 11 to 8, but we've
Okay.
been selling out. So,
Well, I see why.
yeah.
You guys, Waynesville, lucky to have this guy. Now, here in Waynesville, where are we right here?
We're in the Jonathan Creek community, so we're right off of exit 20, off of Interstate 40.
Okay.
It's the last exit that there's anything before Tennessee.
Get in your car. I don't care where you are. Tennessee, get in your car. Try to get over here. Anywhere in North Carolina, come up 40, Waynesville, North Carolina, or look him up wherever you are with your food trailers.
Absolutely.
You're going to get some of the best barbecue around right here. Ben's Backdraft Barbecue. Ben, I can't thank you
Thank
enough. God bless you.
Thank you.
Enjoy, man.
Yeah.
You keep up that great work.
Thank you.
Digging it.